If you're getting annoying pop up ads on your Android phone, even when you're not using any apps, don't worry. I'll show you how to stop them step by step. First, the most common cause is a recent installed app. Go to your settings, then tap Apps. Sort your apps by recently installed and look for anything that you don't recognize or don't remember downloading. If something looks suspicious, tap on it and uninstall it right away. Next, check your browser settings. If you're using Chrome, open it, tap the three dots on the top right, go to Settings, then Site Settings. From there, tap Pop ups and redirects and make sure it's turned off. Also, go to Notifications and remove any sites that are allowed to send you notifications. Another important step is to install a trusted security app like Malwarebytes or Avast Mobile Security. Run a full scan to detect and remove any adware or harmful apps that might be causing the pop ups. You should also check app permissions. Go to Settings, then Privacy or Permission Manager, and review which apps have special permissions like display over other apps. If you see something suspicious, turn it off. If the ads are still showing, try restarting your phone in safe mode. This disables third party apps temporarily, helping you identify which app is causing the issue. And as a last option, you can do a factory reset, but only if nothing else works. Just make sure to back up your important files first. And that's it. Follow these steps and your phone should be free from those annoying pop up ads.